Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. I love you all. In my last video, I promised to drop a review on the Vtcl blender I unboxed. I know this is coming a little late, but thank you so much for your patience. I'm finally here to show you what it does. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. To cover up for the last time, I'll be dropping 2 videos this week, so you got to know before this video ends. Let's start with the functions of each jar. You see this transparent jug? It's for your juice, smoothie and so on. It has a sieve and you can use it to extract liquid. Then to this smallest jar, it is the smallest one in the pack. It's for dry and wet grinding. You can use for any small quantity grinding you are doing. You can use for both dry and wet grinding. This particular jar is more like a mixer. It's for dry grinding and I'm actually going to try it on different things. Now to the last jar. This one is for all your wet grinding. It's the biggest of the stainless jar. So if you want to grind pepper, beans for moi moi and akara or any other liquid thing you're grinding, the biggest stainless is for your grinding. So just remember that one. This is the last thing and it's for stirring. For this one, you don't use it while the blade is rolling. You have to turn off your blender before you can use this one, or else your blade will spoil. If you're presently watching this and you've not watched the first video on this blender, I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can catch up with us. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know how you feel about this video, and also turn on the notification button. For this video, I'll be trying the small jar. This is my already picked beans, so I'll just try and see how smooth it's going to blend it. If you remember in the last video, we talked about the stages, like it had 1, 2, and 3. So I'm using the 3 for this grinding. I think I'm done now. If you are blending to powder, you have to give it a pause, then you continue again because the powder will become sticky because of the heat. That was the mistake I made because I didn't stop. I had to keep grinding till I feel like, okay, it's okay now. It came out very smooth, and those things you are seeing on it is from the heat I talked about earlier. In my next video, I'll be using the jug with the juicer. Like I promised, I'll be dropping another video this week. Thank you all for staying to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share my video, and also turn on the notification button. See you next time. Bye.